Alright, hi everybody. This is my Lawn Boy lawnmower. I'll be reviewing it. My friend has a Lawn Boy too. He just actually published 2 videos earlier of me mowing his yard with it, front and back. And I have a Lawn Boy as well. It's a lot newer than his. This is a, let me see. This is a 2015. His is a 1994. This has a 6.5 gross torque, 149cc Kohler engine on it. It's got electric start. It's got a bagger. I don't have the bag on it though. This is what the air filter looks like. It's not too dirty. May blow that out with my air compressor sometime. Yeah. It's got an overhead valve engine. Got some oil in it. It's self-propelled, it's rear-wheel drive. Unfortunately, the self-propel broke, because I learned my lesson, because I did what's called too much hauling with it. And, I have a Craftsman lawnmower as well. I've got a video of me mowing with it that I posted about a month ago. Well, my friend did. This mower is just like an extra mower to have. It's a rear-wheel drive lawnmower. My Craftsman is an all-wheel drive. But anyway, that's all I have to say about this lawnmower. Thank you for watching, and please check out the other videos, and we will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.